आप सबको एक बार फिर से मेरा नमस्कार। अब की बार जो टॉपिक है वो बड़ा उसके ऊपर बहुत चर्चा होती रहती है कि फ़ास्ट फूड शुड वी टेक इट और नॉट। अब फ़ास्ट फूड लिया जाए या बिल्कुल ही ना लिया जाए। देयर इज़ नो हार्म इफ़ वी टेक इट वंस अ वाइल, बट इट इज़ वेरी हार्मफुल इफ़ इट बिकम्स पार्ट ऑफ आवर हैबिट। अब एक लाइन मुझे बड़ी अपील करती है, अक्सर मैं उसे शेयर भी करता हूँ कि फास्ट फूड हैज़ मेड आवर लाइफ स्लो। इसमें जो भी वैल्यूज़ हैं नहीं हैं वो भी मेरे बच्चों ने, बड़े मेरे प्यारे प्यारे बच्चे हैं, उन्होंने वीडियो बना के भेजा है, वो मैं आपको सुनवाऊँगा। और उसके पीछे एक लॉजिक भी है कि हर बच्चा हर आदमी अपने हम उम्र लोगों की बात सुन के उस पर कुछ गौर फरमाता है। जैसे हम न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ते हैं सुबह, कई बार एक्सीडेंट का सीन होता है और उसमें लिखा होता है कि सीट बेल्ट नहीं लगी थी इसलिए बहुत ख़तरा बढ़ जाता है या किसी की डेथ हो गई। तो हम जब ड्राइव करते हैं मॉर्निंग में तो सबसे पहले हम एकदम से वो बात स्ट्राइक करती है और हम एकदम से अपनी सीट बेल्ट लगा लेते हैं। इसी तरीके से जब ये बच्चे, आपके बच्चे जब ये सुनेंगे या बड़े भी सुने, फास्ट फूड एक ऐसा सिस्टम हो गया, एक ऐसा कल्चर हो गया जो सिर्फ बच्चों तक नहीं सीमित रहा, ये बड़ों तक। फिर इसकी हैबिट भी बनी। आप मम्मी पापा से अगर ब्रेकफास्ट में कुछ नहीं बना सपोज़, या बच्चे को भेज दिया, तो बच्चे को प्लीज़ टेक दिस 10 रुपी नोट एंड बाई समथिंग फ्रॉम कैंटीन एंड ईट। अब धीरे धीरे उससे क्या हुआ कि 10 रुपये पहले कभी हफ्ते में 15 दिन भी एक बार मिलते थे, फिर उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी बढ़ गई। अब बच्चा रोजाना कहने लग गया, मम्मी ठीक है मैं खाना तो ले जाऊँगा साथ में, लेकिन मुझे 10 रुपये दो, मैंने कैंटीन से कुछ ना कुछ लेना है। अब वो क्या खा रहा है, वो किस तरीके से बना है, ये मैटर करता है। फिर इसमें एक बात और भी आती है कि फास्ट फूड, चाहे वो कहीं किसी भी देश की बात हो, अब उन लोगों से जहाँ से हम फास्ट फूड खा रहे हैं, थोड़ा उन्हें हेल्थ और हाइजीन के बारे में अगर थोड़ा गाइड किया जाए तो वो लेस हार्मफुल हो जाएगा। फिर अगर घर पे भी कुछ चीज़ बनाते हैं, सपोज़ मैगी बड़ी कल्चर में है, तो उसमें कुछ और फूड स्टफ़ डालिए उसमें। मटर डालने हैं, या बीच में उसमें कैप्सिकम डालना है, या कुछ उसमें गाजर है उसे चॉप करके डाल दीजिए, ताकि बच्चे को उसके साथ साथ थोड़ी न्यूट्रिशन भी मिलता रहे। और without taking much time, my students, they have tried their best to share their views on junk food. Please have a look.
Hi everybody, I am Bhuvi from 8th standard. Today I am going to share some harmful effects of junk food. As we all know that junk food is harmful for our health. It can be defined as one type of food for your excess fat and low nutrients. Common examples are burger, pizza, french fries, etc. Its excess intake is usually related to the production of harmful diseases such as diabetes, tooth decay, obesity, etc. Human body needs a daily intake of certain nutrients, proteins, and fibers. Junk food do not meet the minimum of these elements to be considered healthy. So we can have it in very little quantity, such as having it once a week does not produce the same harmful effects as eating them every day. So I request you all, please avoid junk food. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Palakpreet. Would like to express my views on say to no junk food. Junk food is very harmful to our health. Packed and oily, sold in the market are junk food. Nowadays, junk food are popular among youth and children. Junk food is an eatable waste that does not benefit our body by eating. Junk food may be tasty, but they do not provide any nutrition to our body. On the contrary, it harms the body. Junk food contains high amounts of sugar, calories, and cholesterol. Obesity with more cholesterol, diabetes with more sugar, cause serious cardiovascular diseases. Therefore, we should eat our home cooked food and also advise to parents to make delicious food at home so the children do not attract on the junk food of the market. Thanks everyone for listening me.
Hello to everyone. My name is Pranay. I am in class 6. Today I am telling a speech on junk food. I start. Junk food is not good for our health because it contains many diseases like diabetes, vomiting, etc. Junk food have a high concentration of fats and carbohydrates which are not body friendly. In Australia, 35% young and 41% children take junk food daily and intake is energy. Junk food destroy our food cycle. Many outlets of junk food like Burger King, McDonald's, KFC, which makes not food healthy and make our stomach pain. Many forms of junk food is healthy like sandwich, salad, etc. If we wanted to make junk food at home, it is make very healthy and cleanly. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Mr. Bishnoi. I want to tell you that fast food is very harmful to us. It makes us fatty and dead our cells. Junk food is high in calories and low in nutrients. Junk food high in salts and sugars. People eat junk food on a daily basis. However, not much awareness is spread about the harmful effects of the junk food. This food looks and tastes good. Other than that is no positive points. Fast food gives us many diseases. Fast food accumulates in our intestine. Fast food increases blood pressure in our body. That leads to the kidney failure, heart disease, diabetes, fat gut, stress, cancer. All this is a result of fast food. Fast food can also be cause of our death. It is a tasty poison which can create havoc in your life slowly but surely. So, it is estimated that average of 4,000 deaths due to fast food. It also causes a spike in your body energy level which cause sleeping disorders. It reduces the level of constipation and leads to constipation. Consuming junk food can cause chemical changes that can lead to depression. It make you impatient and cause intolerable cravings. It is all about junk food. That junk food is very harmful to us. Please keep away from junk food that they lead to your disease. Keep an eye on your everyday meal that your life is not a deal. I request you to all, please don't eat junk food, and I am sure that you avoid junk food. Thank you for listening me carefully. Thank you.
Hello guys, I am Mohit. Today I am going to tell you about the bad effects of eating junk food. So, as we all know that junk food are food and drinks with low nutritional value and high in kilojoules, fat, sugars and salt. On the other hand, fast foods are a type of food you get from a restaurant designed to be delivered to you in the quickest way possible. Some fast foods can be healthy, but typically most fast foods are junk food. For example, salad, sushi, and sandwiches are healthy forms of fast food. However, most fast foods are junk food. Uh, Most of the fast food restaurants such as McDonald's and KFC serve unhealthy food. In Australia, 35% of an adult daily energy intake and 41% of children's daily energy intake comes from junk food. While the occasional night of junk food won't hurt much, but eating of junk food regular has been shown to lead to increase of risks of obesity and chronic chronic diseases, cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, and some cancers all have causes in excessive junk food consumption. Further, the specific content of many fast foods can have negative side effects for your body. Junk food high in sodium can lead to increased headaches and migraine. Eating excessive amounts of junk food increase your risk of depression. The carbs and sugars in fast foods can lead to dental cavities. Thanks for listening me and have a fantastic day.
Hello everyone, I am Angel from 8th standard. Today I am going to speak on the topic zero to junk food. But before starting my speech, I have a question for all of you. What do you like to have in your meal? Is it junk food or is it healthy food? I surely know the answer to this question. Think if a slice of pizza is kept on one side of the table and on the another side of the table fruits are kept, what will you like to have? 90% of the people will be having the former. Junk food, cold drink, etc. are not even a part of the food pyramid. Still we are attracted towards it for its taste. The term junk food itself says a lot about the food. It indicates how harmful this food is for our health. Junk is the word which we use for something trash or anything which is of no use. Similarly, junk food is also a trash food which have very no nutritional value. They mostly contains harmful saturated fats which are not good for our bodies. We must be aware of the bad effects of the junk food. Junk food is very harmful for our body, health and mind. It becomes the responsibility of parents to inculcate good food habits in children. So we should say a big no to junk food. In the last, I would like to say, don't regret what you ate, eat healthy and feel great. Thanks and have a healthy day. Bye bye.
Hello everyone, I am Manpreet Kaur. Today I tell you about my topic. My topic is why we should not take to junk food. First, junk foods are packaged food that has low nutritional value. Second, junk food is very harmful to our health and make us fall unhealthy. Nowadays, junk food are popular among children and youth. All kinds of Chinese food, chips, burger, pizza comes under junk food. Fifth, junk food contains high amounts of sugar, calories and cholesterol. Junk food does not contain proteins, minerals, etc. Junk food causes of weight gain and also causes serious diseases like obesity. The consumption of junk food is increasing day by day. So we should only eat our home cooked food. We should create awareness about of the consumption of junk food. Thanks and have a nice day.
Hello everyone, I am Mani, I am in 8th standard and now I would like to share my views with you on junk food. Junk food is unhealthy and it is very harmful to our body. Consumption of junk food leads serious illness. Junk food can make an individual lazy. To attractive advertisements promoting junk foods are deceptive and are a trap. Junk foods can create mental and physical disorder. Obesity can be caused due to the consumption of junk food, and 60% of people die because of obesity. Thank you and a message for you guys. Please avoid junk food.
Hello guys, this is Divyank Sharma from class 8th. Today I am going to tell you about disadvantages of junk food. Nowadays, junk food is very popular. Junk food is not good to our health. Minerals and nutrients are not available in junk food. If we eat junk food, we suffer from many diseases like vomiting, stomach pain, and loose motion, etc. Eating more junk food makes you fat and stops the height. Junk food does not keep both the body and the mind healthy and also makes us lazy. Instead of junk food, we must eat simple and healthy food like milk, curd, pulses, and green vegetables, etc. Thanks to listening me. Have a healthy and joyful day.
Hello everyone, my name is Asta. Today I am going to telling about my speech and my topic is junk food. Unhealthy food is also known as junk food. The fast food that we eat come in the category of unhealthy food. We must have a balanced diet if we want to enjoy a healthy life. We should eat junk food in a limited quantity and occasionally. If we want to eat fast food, then my mother can cook it at home in a healthy way. If we are going to be good student, then we must quit unhealthy food. If we pack fruit and vegetable in plastic bag, then too they become unhealthy. Unhealthy food stop the growth of the body and make it fat. If we eat unhealthy food regularly, then it will stop our growth and also affect our mind. Rotten fruits and vegetables are unhealthy and can damage our liver and eyes. Unhealthy food also gives us lot of diseases as a gift like typhoid, cough, sneeze, food poisoning, etc. At the last, I am saying don't eat fast food because it is very harmful for our health. Thank you everyone. Have a great and healthy day.
Hello dear my friends and teachers. Today I am telling about junk food. Junk food is unhealthy food that is high in calories from sugar, fat with a little dietary fiber, protein, vitamins, minerals or other important form of nutritional value. One of the most common side effects of consuming junk food is increased obesity. Obesity can cause many medical issues like diabetes, joint, plan, heart diseases. Thank you.
Hey friends, my name is Gauravdeep. I am in 6th class. Speech on junk food. Junk food is unhealthy and is harmful to human body. Consumption of junk food led to serious illness. Junk food can make an individual lazy. The attractive advertisement promoting junk food are deceptive and are a trap. Junk food can create mental and physical disorders. Thank you.
Hello, I am going to tell you about junk food. Junk food is unhealthy and harmful to human body. To lead a healthy life, one must use junk food. Junk food can create mental and physical disorders. Unhealthy food also stop to growing of brain. Heavy junk food destroy our good food cycle. Fast food may taste good, but it is not good for our health. We all need to live and grow. It is very harmful for our health. Thank you.
मैं आशा करता हूँ आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। आप अपने बच्चों को भी दिखाइए, खुद भी देखिए एंड प्लीज़ इसे देखने तक सीमित मत रखिए। ये कोई राजनीति का भाषण या वो नहीं था, ये हमारी रियल लाइफ से जुड़ी चीज़ है। थैंक यू वेरी मच। हैव ए नाइस डे।